this video. Hope you're having an awesome day. Thanks for taking some time every day to hang out with me. Today's video, we are unboxing the Glow Addict skincare and beauty boxes for July 2020. I will link my Glow Addict playlist to watch previous unboxings, and if you haven't already, please subscribe and give this video a like. Let's get unboxing. So in June, I started the beauty bag. They did a reveal of the bag, box, and skincare boxes, and I just wasn't crazy about the beauty bag for this month. What I like about Glow Addict is if you go on your account and instead of canceling the subscription, you can go in and just skip a month. So I ended up skipping for July, but I still got the skincare and beauty box. These are boxes I've been getting consistently for almost a year now. I've really enjoyed them. The beauty box is $18.99 and you pay a small fee for shipping, and then the skincare box is $24.99 and you pay a small fee for shipping, and then the beauty bag is $13.99 and you pay a small fee for shipping as well. This is what the inside of the beauty box. These are from Beauty Creations. We have seen a couple of their products in Glow Addict before. This is a Splash of Love. Ooh, look how cute that is. I'm not the biggest fan of glitter. Me and glitter just don't get along. Almost took out my tear duct in my ColourPop and Mulan review. Oh, I love this blue one, and I can't resist not swatching them. Oh, these are really refined. Actually, these are nice. I like how these feel. Oh, wow. I actually really like how they feel. They're not chunky, they're super refined. I'm sure with a nice glitter glue primer, these will actually work out really well. And they remove easily on a makeup wipe. Not much residue behind. I actually might like these then. Oh, gorgeous. Oh, yeah. These are the glitters that I'm looking for. These are absolutely stunning. Okay, Beauty Creations, I see you. Like, if I'm gonna use glitter, I'm gonna be super picky about it because they're not eye safe. Even though, like, some brands claim that they are, but it's still shards of glitter near your eye that can take out your cornea. Maybe it's just working in ophthalmology, that's what I think of, and it just freaks me out. Whatever it may be, I just don't like the idea of putting glitter on my eyes. And then when I do put on glitter on my eyes in a video, it just completely rests my case. These definitely stick out to me. They took me by surprise, and they actually make me want to be a little bit more accepting to use glitters. Ooh, I see some lashes. Okay, this is from their sister brand, iBeauty. This is the Under the Sea collection. We have Beach Please, Mermosa, that is so cute, Shell Yeah. I like how each style of lash is different too. I really like how wispy Shell Yeah is. That's like a style of lash I gravitate towards. Mermosa has a little bit more spacing in between them. I haven't really used many lashes. Like, it kind of goes thick, thin, in that kind of pattern. And then Beach Please looks a little bit more sparse, but I'm very excited to see how these work out. I have been on a huge lash kick. Like, I can't do a look and not put on lashes anymore these days. These are gonna get so much use. I like how you get 3 pairs and each pair gets about 30 uses. So we have 90 looks right here. This is Swirl and Sparkle with Glow Addict. What are we swirling and sparkling? Is that a brush cleaner? How cute is that with that little heart? Oh, it's a sign that I need to wash my brushes. I washed a few of them and now I just need to get the rest done. It was mainly eye brushes that I did because I'm like, I'm running out of crease brushes. Now that I have a new brush cleaner to test out, maybe I will get the rest of them done. Oh, more sheet masks. Yes! Here we had 3. Not bad. More than BOXYCHARM or IPSY gives you. So we have a vitamin C, vitamin E, and vitamin A masks. These are from JJ Young, Kolian Lab. Always saw them a lot in June's Glow Addict boxes. These are 2-step sheet masks. So the vitamin C, we're gonna radiate and hydrate. Vitamin E, we're gonna rejuvenate and lift. And then vitamin A, we're gonna do protection and vitality. The first step is apply toner onto face to even the skin texture and tone. Step 2, you're gonna apply the sheet mask over the face. Leave on for 15 to 20 minutes, remove mask, and gently pat remaining serum for absorption. Very excited for those. Can always use some sheet masks. Being on lockdown, that has been something I do pretty much every single day as self-care. So I have definitely gotten my fair share of sheet masks used. I'd definitely love to see them in boxes to help replenish the stash. And then the last item, ooh, Look how cute these brushes are with little mermaid handles. I am obsessed. I am living for this mermaid theme that they have going on for July. So the first brush I have right here, it can probably use as an eyeliner brush, or for me, I would use it to fill in my brows. Ooh, they're soft but have a nice density to them. Ooh, yes, I can always use a nice flat shader. This one's a little bit too big to cut the crease, but to pack on some shimmers, this one's going to be a fantastic brush for that. We have a fan brush for highlighting. I haven't used a fan brush in a hot minute to help highlight. Ever since I got my Morphe E61 brush in my Morphe Me Live Glam subscription, I haven't used any other brush really for highlighting, and that's when I stopped using fan brushes. You know, this brush definitely needs to be cleaned. That's what this is for. So perhaps when that Morphe brush is being cleaned and dried, it will be this fan brush's time to shine. Get it? Shine, highlight. Ah! It's like at an angle. Maybe it's for outer V? I don't know. I've never seen a brush like this before, and I don't even know what I would use it for. There's nothing on the handles of A, what brand it is, but 2, a suggested use of it. It's not like I want it to get decluttered or anything because I am a sucker for the cuteness. So we have 2 similar brushes. We just have one at an angle and then one just at a straight line, but I would use them for like the same purposes. Maybe this one would be better for eyeliner for that wing. This is another interesting shape brush. Like, is it supposed to be for the crease? Is it? I don't know. These 2 brushes right here, I'm gonna have to figure out uses for them. They're just very unique shapes that I've never used. Ooh, I like these to really help deepen the crease area where the crease and lid meet, but it's also a nice one if you really want it smoked out, like how I have it in my look today. To really smoke that lower lash, these brushes are really good for that. We have this humongous crease brush just to really get things going in the crease. Always use more crease brushes. We have a smaller flat shader to help cut the crease. That's what I like to use these for. And then I don't know what this one is. Another huge brush right here. Might be a little too big to clean up looks with. Maybe highlighting the brow bone. They're just almost too cute to declutter. Perhaps these brushes can come in handy to help us apply some eyeshadows. Overall, I'm super excited for the beauty box. I really liked all the products that we received. We have an awesome eye brush set. We have brush cleaner to clean those brushes. We have 3 pairs of lashes. We have these beautiful glitters. And then we have sheet masks. I think it's a well-balanced box. Definitely feel like I got my money's worth, and I'm excited to see what's in the skincare box next. And this is the inside of the skincare box. The first item we have by Spongel. This is the Body Wash Infused Buffer. I've gotten a few of these in BOXYCHARM and FabFitFun. These sponges cleanses, exfoliates, hydrates, and massages. You're supposed to get about 15 to 20 uses. I would definitely push that because of how expensive they are. I think they're about $15. I think it's a very cool concept. I just think it's very inflated. I still haven't used them. I'm trying to get through some body wash right now in the shower. So once I do, whether it's this one or one from BOXYCHARM, will take its place. Ooh, we have from Grace and Stella, Meet Mud, your skin's new best friend. Dead Sea Mud Mask. I really have been enjoying Grace and Stella. I've been getting a lot of their products in Glow Addict. We saw them in BOXYCHARM and FabFitFun. It says Deep Sea Mud Mask, but it also says Deep Skin Cleanser. You apply a thin layer to face, avoiding the eye area. Leave on for 10 minutes. Rinse with warm water. Use a clean washcloth if needed. Follow up with your favorite serum and or moisturizer. Use twice a week. Mud masks like the one that I get from Glam Glow, I do find myself having a little bit more sensitivity from. I don't know if it's just like the formulation of mud masks or what, but each one, I don't have an allergic reaction to them, but I do see that my face just feels a little bit more sensitive than it did before, and it goes away by the next day. So I don't know if it's just me and my experience or if anyone else has that with mud masks. I would love to know your experience in the comments below. I'll try out that mask and let you guys know how my experience was. This is the Revitalizing Face Mist from Manicadar. Okay, let's give it a shot. Oh. If you want to spray yourself with the hose, this is what that is. Very, very bad spray component. Oh, I don't like that. It smelled good and it felt good, but it was just so aggressive. This is gonna have to be transferred in a different component to use. Oh, we have by MTS Derma Roller. This is an efficient system for anti-aging, skin regeneration, skin tightening, and collagen stimulation. You don't say. Oh, I've been wanting to try one of these. See, I think all these skin tools are hoaxes. I don't know if I'm just skeptical or what. This looks like little spikes. I'm a little freaked out. Oh my gosh. Oh, that kind of hurts. I don't know if I'm going to be able to use this or not because of how sensitive my skin is. Like, it's hurting on my hands. And if I'm supposed to do this on my face, like I have makeup on, I'm not even gonna try it. That just doesn't feel satisfying. It just feels like pain, pain, pain. And I usually have a decent pain tolerance. It kind of just feels like, you know, when your feet or hand or something falls asleep and it's like that really spiky feeling? That's what it feels like, but like tenfold. That's just a weird sensation. Oh, I don't like that. And then the last product we have by Dr. Pedicure, the foot exfoliating mask. You get one. Use this and you'll be showing your feet off. So that means Griffin's gonna use this. Each pair of plastic booties are for a single-use application. Wash and soak your feet in warm water for about 5 to 10 minutes to loosen skin, then dry off. Put the plastic booties on both feet and secure the booties around each ankle using the enclosed pieces of adhesive tape. We recommend placing a pair of socks over the plastic booties and remain seated. Wear it for 1 hour. After 1 hour, remove the plastic booties and wash your feet with soap and water. The dead skin cells will begin to peel 5 to 7 days. Oh, that's disgusting. Depending on your skin cells turnover rate. Some people may experience peeling 10 to 12 days after application. The dead skin cells may continue to peel naturally up to 2 weeks depending on the amount of dead skin on your feet. Your feet may feel dry, which is normal. Do not moisturize or forcibly remove the dead skin from your feet. Allow skin to naturally peel off. If dryness is unbearable, apply a small amount of moisturizer. Yeah, Griffin's gonna try this and not me. I'm not gonna try it because I actually have sensitive feet in a way. I know that sounds weird. I just have sensitive everything. I'm one that can't even walk barefoot because of how bad it hurts my feet. Feet in general are just gross. No, I don't think I could stand having my feet peel and peel and peel for days. There's sometimes that my feet already do that and it's disgusting. And I have that bad habit of trying to pick and peel away at it. And if I shouldn't do that with this, I'm not the right person for something like that. This was an interesting skincare box. I'm still a little freaked out about this little spiky tool we got going on because if it hurts my hands, how is it gonna do on my face? I don't really use foot peels and exfoliating masks for my feet, so it's just not my jam. I think the Sponge Gel and the Grayson Stella mask I think are going to be the two products I am most excited for. I really hope the Sponge Gels work out nice. I hope I can get more uses than what I recall because it sounds really nice, but for that price it just doesn't sound worth it. Hopefully I'll be able to get some use out of this mud mask. I really want to love this Manicadar spray. I feel like I didn't get a really good read on the formula because I just felt like I sprayed myself in the face with a hose from how aggressive the spray dispenser is. Hopefully I can switch it over to a component to get some use out of it because I feel like this product has a lot of potential. It's just in a very poor component. I would love to know if you guys get Glow Addict. Were there any variations from the beauty box or skincare boxes? And if you don't get the beauty box or skincare box, did you get the beauty bag and how did everything work out for you? What was your favorite product, least favorite product? How did everything work out for you? I would love to know in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe before you leave, and if you don't, I appreciate your view anyways, and I'll see you in the next video.